YouTube is called YouTube for a reason. It's all about the viewer. It's all about adding value to you, the viewer. And Dane's actually done some research. You might want to look into that about the word "you" being used in videos. But ultimately, it's all about creating the value for the user, right? So that's why I think YouTube as a platform is so powerful.
Saying the word "you" can get you 66% more views if you say it in the first 5 seconds. Why is that? It's because each video is about the viewer, you looking at me right now. It's about you, it's not about us, it's about you. And if you can make your videos about the viewer and what they want and what they need, you will succeed.
For businesses, big and small, and I'm amazed at just how many big businesses don't get it right.